Yo, what's up with y'all? Been a little minute. Oh, it's been a little minute, man. Yesterday, I did not get to record because I didn't trade yesterday. But we back. Obviously, if you guys are seeing this, I took a trade. I just hopped on the charts. I woke up a little bit late today. So, and then later, at like 12, around 12, I'm going to be teaching somebody how to trade. So, oh yeah, I'm going to be trading FOMC too as well, guys. I'm going to be full porting all three of my accounts. So, we'll see, man. It's either we're going to be funded, live funded trading. We're going to be a live funded trader, or we're going to be an unprofitable, undisciplined trader. It's all about risk, though, right? We lose some, we win some. That was the market alarm. Market just open. If I can catch a trade during New York session, and then FOMC, bro, and then get funded, and then start live trading on like Friday. Well, probably I'll start. I might not live trade until market open back up. If I get funded today, man. Because I do not like the way price action is looking this month. October was by far my worst month, and I'm still profitable. It's crazy, though. I would want to be bearish today. This was a regular day. Just because we have better draws and liquidity down here. But we're at all-time highs, so it's just a matter of just waiting to see what we're going to do. We have pre-market manipulation. No, we didn't. Yeah, we just have better draws and liquidity down here. But during FOMC, though, we're going to be buying the rumor, selling the news. So I'm going to be bearish on FOMC all the way down to this gap right here. So I think we go up during pre-market. And then when we get Fed funds rates at 2, I think we still go up. That's the manipulation. And then during the announcement, we take out the liquidity on the upside. And then we just shoot down. And then like Wednesday when we get the news, during I guess the trade war with the meeting Trump and the president of China is having, then I think we go back up. It just makes sense. All right, I would want price to come down here and we at least sweep this, and then we can go up. So I think it's going to be previous session manipulation plus reversal, new session continuation. But I just want price to come down here, and then we sweep this right here. We sweep this liquidity right here. We sweep London low, and then we continue to go up. Because we're at all-time highs. I mean, if price tells us otherwise, we're going to be short. I mean, we have great draws on liquidity down there, but I don't think we're going to go all the way down here during pre-market, you know. Or we might come down some, like right here, and then when we get Fed funds rate, we go up. And then when we get FOMC, boom, we shoot back down. And then with the trade and China with the US and China meeting, then we go back, then we continue to go up from there. Well, then we go back up from there. Gold is up right now. The dollar's up right now. Bitcoin is up right now. So let's see, man. And then we have news at 2 p.m. Fed funds rate, FOMC statement. Then at 2:30 we got FOMC press conference. Boom, boom, boom. Forecast. So this is what we expect. This is the previous right here. Still waiting on a liquidity sweep to the downside if we're gonna continue to be up. Like I said, you know, we just have really like bullish news this week. So all that's being priced in still because we didn't get our announcement yet. So I'm just looking to be bullish for real. Until like we get this statement. I'm gonna be really passive today, and especially if I don't see my A plus setup, I won't be trading. So I'll just be trading later anyway. So it's gonna be my first news I trade. So I'm gonna make a couple of content videos because I meant to make this stuff earlier, so I guess you guys are just see the behind the scenes. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT make me a little script. Make me a little script. I'm gonna make a little trading video, basically saying that we are not in competition with each other. You need to worry about your own process. Because I've been seeing like way too many people like try to be in competition with other traders. Like it's no competition. Like this is your process, your journey. Do not compare your journey to somebody else's journey. Real talk. So like what? Yo, real talk traders, listen up. Yo, real talk traders, listen up. Yo, real talk traders, listen up. Let me see how that sounds. Yo, real talk traders, listen up. We are not in competition with each other. We are not in competition with each other. Trading isn't about who catches the biggest move this week, who made the most amount of money. It's about consistency, discipline, and focused on their own process. You'll drive yourself crazy trying to compare your journey to someone else's. Everybody account size, psychology, and experience is completely different than yours. So stop watching others and focus on yourself. Because in trading, the only competition there is who you were yesterday. Yo, real talk traders, listen up. We are not in competition with each other. Trading isn't about who catches the biggest move this week, who made the most amount of money. It's about consistency, discipline, and focused on their own process. You'll drive yourself crazy trying to compare your journey to someone else's. Everybody account size, psychology, and experience is completely different than yours. So stop watching others and focus on yourself. Because in trading, the only competition there is who you were yesterday. Yo, real talk traders, listen. I want to get to Yo, LJ is funny. Alright, looks like we got a bearish SMT divergence right here at Asia session high. Maybe we from this bearish SMT right here, take out London. We take out London low, and then we continue to go higher. We find confluence off of there. Hopefully SMT divergence as well. That would be a strong bullish confirmation that we're gonna go up to the upside. And then we can find a continuation confluence, and then we can get in. 2B did not happen, so we don't have to worry about waiting for. Well, we still have to wait for manipulation, but we don't have to like look for SMT divergence from that manipulation. We can use other confluences. We can use other factors as well. Boom, from there. Okay, now we're going down. Looks like NASDAQ we're going to be leading because, yes, we're going up. Yep. Made lower lows right here. On NASDAQ, we made higher highs. I mean, on ES, we made higher highs. NASDAQ, we made lower lows. I might just make a bunch of content, y'all. So. Yo, I keep seeing people that be taking like 40 trades a day, bro. Why are people taking like 43 trades a day? There's just no way you see that much A+ setups in a day. Like, that's definitely gambling. There's no way. Wait, no. Let me see. I'm about to write a script, actually. Okay, do one now on people taking like 40 trades a day. Started off like, why are people taking 40 trades a day? I've never understood that. There's no way you see your A+ set up that many times. That has to be addiction, not real trading. You're gambling at this point. Let's see. Wow. 740. You might get a. This is a high time frame SMT divergence. I might be bearish today. But I don't want to short all time high. That's the thing. I just might not trade, bro. Because the day, obviously, yesterday was choppy. Now, this is pre-market. This is before, well, it's not pre-market, but this New York Open, but this is the day of FOMC, but before it in the same day, if you understand it. I'm saying that completely wrong, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna turn that air on after this video. It's hot. Why are people taking 40 trades a day? I've never understood that. There is no way you're seeing your A+. I've never understood that. There's no way you're seeing your A+ setup that many times in one session. At that point, you're addicted. It's addiction at that point. Real traders, they wait. They know when not to trade. They protect their capital. Because the goal isn't to trade all day. The goal is because the goal isn't to trade all day. The goal is to be right. Fewer trades, higher quality, more patience. More patience, fewer trades, higher quality. That's what separates a gambler from and that's what separates a gambler to a professional. Why are people taking 40? Yeah, bro, I've never understood that, bro. I'll be like looking on TikTok like, oh, we're up on the day. I see like 200 trade, like, what? Yo, real talk, traders, listen up. We are not in competition with each other. Trading isn't about who catches the biggest move this week, who made the most amount of money. It's about consistency, discipline, and focused on their own process. You'll drive yourself crazy trying to compare your journey to someone else's. Everybody account size, psychology, and experience is completely different than yours. Stop watching others and focus on yourself. Because in trading, the only competition there is who you were yesterday. Yo, real talk, why are people taking 40 trades a day? I've never understood that. There's no way you're seeing your A+ setup that many times in one session. Why are people... I like that. Listen up. We are not in competition with each other. No, we are not in competition with each other. Trading isn't about who catches the biggest move this week, who made the most amount of money. It's about consistency, discipline, and focus on their own process. It will drive yourself crazy. Discipline and focus. It isn't about who catches the biggest move this week, who made the most amount of money. It will drive yourself crazy trying to compare your journey to someone else's. Everybody account size, psychology, and experience is completely different. Stop watching others and focus on yourself. Because in trading, the only competition there is who you were yesterday.
What's going on, Miss Aries? How you doing? You know, it's funny. I'm not happy. Shit, nigga. That's how you come up for something. Oh, nigga, you got me. Wait, son.
Friend, we do not know you, friend.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, you my thing is in the chat.
Bro.
Who's weak?
Everybody.
Right, I mean,
What? But they're literally just chatting their ass off right now, bro. 9:30. Yeah, that definitely is an S&T divergence. 9:30 up here. Oh, we just invalidated the S&T divergence. Okay. Now we're chopping. Barcode time. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go stand up and talk to this video. Oh wait. Okay, let me see. I was gonna do that one on free time. What you do on your free time what you do on your free time as a trader when the markets aren't open will determine another thing that most traders don't talk about is the free time you have. It feels like when the markets isn't open, you should be back testing, looking at your past mistakes in your journal, even taking a break from the charts and going out and doing things. Make me a script, something like that. Alright. We might have another SMT divergence. No, we don't. We just invalidated that. Okay. We got an SMT divergence right here, though. From 9:30. $8.40 up to 9:30. Yeah, boom, we got a breaker structure right there as well. Price stayed above that equilibrium. This would have actually been a good trade to take, yo. I missed it. This setup right here. We got an SMT divergence, but I wanted liquidity to get swept though. I can tell this is not going to be like the true move of the day though. We wasn't around liquidity. I'm waiting for liquidity grab, but so yeah, actually nah, that wouldn't have been one, but check out this high, and I don't want to short all-time highs, man. I don't want to short all-time highs. For me to short all-time highs, I would want price to come all the way down here. Like after we take out this, I would want price to stay below London session, and then I target down here. Like it's crazy how market's not even grabbing any lower, like any sell side liquidity. We're just going straight up. I'm definitely shorting the fucking news later, bro. Holy shit. Take this big ass coat off. Another thing that not too many traders talk about is the free time that you damn. And another thing that too many traders don't talk about is the free time that you have. If you're somebody like me, you usually trade New York Open 9:30 to around 11:30. And then after that, the whole day you have to yourself. But it's actually what you do with that free time will determine your success in trading. You could be back testing, studying your own trades, fixing your mistakes. Another thing that too many traders don't talk about is the free time that you have. If you're somebody like me, you usually trade New York Open 9:30 to around 11:30. And then after that, the whole day you have to yourself. But it's actually what you do with that free time will determine your success in trading. You could be back testing. And another thing that too many traders don't. Learning from your past mistakes inside your journal. You can even be teaching other people, helping them grow and to get better as well. Or even better, step away from the charts. Go outside and then go enjoy your life. Going outside and enjoying your life. And another thing that too many traders don't talk about is the free time that you have. If you're somebody like me, you usually trade New York Open 9:30 to around 11:30. And then after that, the whole day traders don't talk about is the free time that you have. I'm cold that fast, y'all. Trading is supposed to give you freedom, not lock you in a mental cage. It's really good to keep balance because that balance is really cool. It's really good to keep balance because that balance, it keeps you sharp when it's time to execute. It keeps you sharp when it's time to execute. Boom. And another thing that too many traders... Perfect, guys. Here we have... Let's say we do find a trade today. If I get into a trade, I've been seeing so many people like take profit, get edges, bro. So we're going straight to break even. As soon as price goes down, we're going straight to break even, bro. And we're taking partials. Because fuck that. I'll be damned. Fuck that. Bro, markets nowadays, bro, doesn't know what it wants to do, bro. Like, it's just doing anything right now, man. Guys, look at all this content I've made for you guys. Go follow my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You guys have, well, you guys are watching this. You guys probably follow my YouTube. I post everything on YouTube Reels as well. But TikTok is like where I'm more like active at on TikTok. Like you can catch me on TikTok like in the comments or you feel me? Or you can even text me on Instagram. Like I be posting on my story and shit like that. You feel me? Like you can really catch me everywhere. YouTube is more for like YouTube videos, like long form videos. I mean, you can comment, I'll comment, but it's not like that. Really, like that connection, like as you would feel on Instagram or TikTok. You get what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna make a video on what is liquidity. I'm gonna be like, what is liquidity? Well, liquidity is essentially you. You are my liquidity, my boy, my brother. Whoop-dee-doo. Whoop-dee-doo. Liquidity. I'm gonna be like, you are essentially liquidity, chat. Telling you a red, my brother. Louis V Slacks. Herman Trent. Swimming pool heated. Yeah, she ain't trying to eat it. Yeah, shawty, you could beat it. Yeah, ride with the eater. Ride to cedar. Ride with it. Fuck me good the first day. I think I might keep her. Blowing money fast like a fucking cheetah. I've been in the trenches filled with hyenas. Ooh, got it, spider. Whooping that bitch. Holy fuck. I just watched Bitcoin dump right now on my phone. What the hell? I just watched Bitcoin shit the fucking bed, bro. A la Vega. Herman Trench. Dude, it's so hard to draw these on your phone. Is there a magnet on here? Holy fuck, bro. Wavy slash. I'm gonna eat up. I want to see a fair value gap, man. What is liquidity? Hearing liquidity, but don't really know what it means. You keep hearing the word liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Let me break it down for you. Liquidity. You keep hearing the word liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Let me break it down for you. What? Well, let me break it down for you. All right. We can go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go in for in. All right, so right here you can see that we made buy side liquidity, and then price came down right here, and then we made sell side liquidity, okay? So essentially, liquidity means where price wants to move. So essentially, liquidity means where price wants to go next. It's where all the money sits. Smart money hunts those areas to fill their position. Smart money hunts those areas to fill positions, and then we can go in the other direction. So as you can see right here, then price came back up. We took out buy side liquidity, right? And then after we fill all those positions, price, what did we do? We went down and we also swept sell side liquidity. This is how the market moves. What is liquidity? You keep hearing the word liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Let me break it down for you. All right, so right here you can see that we made buy side liquidity, and then price came down right here, and then we made sell side liquidity, okay? Price wants to go next. It's where all the money sits. So liquidity basically means where price wants to go next. It's where all the money sits. So basically liquidity means where all the money sits, where price is most likely to go next. What is liquidity? You keep hearing the word liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Let me break it down. Then we made sell side liquidity, okay? Liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Let me the word liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Split. Well, let me break it down for you. All right, so right. Okay. And then price came down right here, and then we made sell side liquidity, okay? So basically, liquidity means. All right, break it down for you. All right. So basically, look. Okay. Bro, I want to see a fair value gap or something, bro. Like, that's what I'm looking for too. I'm only taking A+ setups today, bro. We swept liquidity to the buy side. We had a breaker structure right here to the downside. Swept liquidity. We broke structure. I want to see price close below this right here. Oh, we're just going to keep going down. I want to see some type of pullback and then continue. And then we can draw a continuation confluence. And then from the continuation confluence, if that respects it, we can get into the 1 minute time frame and target these lows right here. Now it looks like we're leading on. I want to say we're leading on ES, but it looks like we're leading on NASDAQ. Okay, yeah, we're leading on ES. Okay, so basically liquidity means where all the money sits, where price is most likely to go next. It's where all the money sits. Smart money hunts all the money sits. Smart money hunts those areas. Sell side liquidity, okay? Smart money hunts those areas. Smart money hunts those. Smart money. Smart money hunts. Smart money hunts those areas. To fill positions, and then we can go in the other direction. So as you can see right here, then price came back up. We took out buy side liquidity, right? And then after we fill all those positions, price, what did we do? We went down and we also swept sell side liquidity. This is how the market moves. This is how the market moves. So liquidity basically means where price wants to go next. It's where all the money sits. It basically means where price wants to go next. It's where all the money sits. What is liquidity? You keep hearing the word liquidity, but you don't know what that means. Well, let me break it down for you. All right, so right here, you can see that we made buy side liquidity, and then price came down right here, and then we made sell side liquidity, okay? Smart money hunts those areas to fill positions, and then we can go in the other direction. So as you can see right here, then price came back up. We took out buy side liquidity, right? And then after we fill all those positions, price, what did we do? We went down and we also swept sell side liquidity. This is how the market moves. So liquidity basically means where price wants to go next. It's where all the money sits. All the money sits. What is liquidity? It's where all the money sits. You have a breaker structure to the downside. Okay. We got a liquidity sweep, breaker structure. We don't have a fair value gap. I can draw equilibrium. If this candlestick closes bullish, then we could. Wait, we close bullish and Q. Price looks like it's respecting equilibrium. For me to get into the trade though, right? I want to see price come down here and then we break structure. Actually, nah. I want to see price break structure right here and like us close below this. You see? Yeah, I would want to see. I want to see price close below this right here for me to get into a trade. Trading and gambling is two completely different things. Gambling and trading is two complete different things. Gambling and trading is two complete different. Gambling and trading is not gambling. I think I should start off with that, right, chat? Matter of fact, I'm gonna start calling out family, right, family? Trading and gambling is two complete different things. Trading and gambling is two complete different things. Trading and gambling. Gamblers rely on luck. Traders, they rely on strategy. Trading and gambling is two complete. Gamblers rely on luck, and traders rely on their strategy. Gamblers are just clicking buttons, hoping price goes in their direction. Traders manage risk, analyze charts, and play probabilities because, of course, nothing is 100%. Trading isn't gambling unless you treat it like. Trading is only gambling if you treat it like it. Trading is only gambling if you treat it like it. Trading is only gambling if you treat it like it. Learn a skill, build the patience of it. Learn a skill. Learn the skill and build the discipline. Learn a skill, build the patience. A gambler just blows their whole account. A trader knows how to protect their capital and grow it over time. Learn a skill and build the patience. Trading and gambling is two completely different things. Gamblers rely on luck and traders rely on their strategy. Gamblers are just clicking buttons hoping price goes in their direction. Traders manage risk, analyze charts, and play probabilities because, of course, nothing is 100%. Trading is only gambling if you treat it like it. A gambler just blows their whole account. A trader knows how to protect their capital and grow it over time. Learn a skill and build the patience. Trading and stop being a gambler. Trading and gambling is two complete different things. Gambler. Today's the day. FOMC or nothing. Trade safe. Yo. Facts though. Look, I be running through my own. Alright, so if this candlestick closes bullish, then I will not be trading today. Right now. Oh, sorry. Cause I know I let you down.
Don't so long, that ain't really what I mean when I'm dream chasing. Act like they ain't see the boy, blind hating, they screen playing. Call my name, not a history. This forever ink, can't erase it. It's difficult in the big league. Watch out, me and my teammates. I got used to the long game. They call me the wrong name. Andre with the like my say. Out working on a hard game. Still get to have an off day. I told y'all stay y'all lane. Trying to look at me right. Start this one off. Got so many. Look at
I'm about to recreate that same picture, bro. Scared money don't make no money. Look, I be riding through my old hood, but I'm in my new whip. Same old attitude, but I'm on that new shit. They say they gonna rob me. See me never do shit. Oh shit. Bro, it's light, bro. Put them all on my wrist. Bust down. Scared money don't make no money if I ever. Oh man, don't like the way that candlestick looks.
Not double texting, double calling, showing up to your house, trying to see you, trying to go out of way to see you.
She don't really like
She
you.
don't like you. She got another nigga.
Appreciation literally
Appreciate.
goes
That's all
a
a
long
man
way.
wants. A man's kryptonite is appreciation because we get it so seldom. Even as fathers, when a woman, hey, tell your mom thank you. Tell your mom her hair looks nice. Tell your mom this. Tell your mom it's her birthday. As a man, don't nobody be like, oh, tell your father this. Tell your father, hey, the lights is on. Tell your father, oh, it's sure good we ate today. Nobody gives a fuck about a man. So when a man gets appreciation, it's like so much to us because we so deficient in it. And if a woman understood that game, it's so easy to
It's
have
so
us.
easy to
And,
please
but
someone.
women still don't got it. That's how.
Child. It's a good fucking day, man. No? No, it's not. But we ball, nigga, we ball.
I'm crying, bro. I'm not Mr. Tough Guy, right? But this nigga for sure is not. This nigga sweet as shit.
Child, I don't know if y'all knew this, but I'm black. Like, maybe because I'm sexy, y'all wouldn't believe that shit. Right? But even if I wasn't black, you know, I would still say nigga. Like, if I was a white boy, I would still be saying nigga. Feel me? Like, it's such a good word.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro?
Most.
What the fuck am I
Education goes
looking
in one
at?
ear and out the other.
Alright, I want to see a break of structure down here. And then once price comes down here, bro, we can get into the trade chat. With NASDAQ, we're going up. So I don't like that.
It's deeper than charts and candlesticks. It's energy. Every decision you make is connected to how you feel. One of the reasons why I stopped telling everybody that I believe trading is spirit. protect your. I believe trading is.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right. I just want this to close under this right here, and then I'm trying to get into the trade, bro. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, baby. What are we on? ES? Breaker structure, inverse for value gap. All right. All right, y'all. So we got into the trade because look, price respected this right here. We made an SMT divergence right here, right? So 10:05, 10:30. 10:05, 10:30, whatever. Look, we made higher highs, SMT divergence, lower highs. So let me see if we get this fill right here really quick. Go, 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 go. And then we had a breaker structure right here. Price respect equilibrium breaker structure, right? From there, we got continuation confluence. We got confirmation. Oh shit, I brought another one. Fuck, I don't mean to buy another one. Gotta delete these. I did not mean to buy another one. I fucked up. I think I said a limit buy, right? 2 limit buys, and then that'll liquidate it automatically. Two. Bro, come on, bro. If my take profit gets edged, bro, come on. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold on, I know it's, hold on, guys. I know I was telling you guys why I got into the trade, but 1 second, because I'm trying to hurry up and go to break even. No. We do not. Go down. Go down. Go down. Alright, whatever happens, happens. Who cares? Anyways. Had a break of structure, boom. From there, I'm like, alright, let's get into the trade. My bias was already bearish. I didn't want to short all-time highs until we got around this anyway. I know I said if we stay below London, but if I see a clear reversal, we're going to take that, especially this one. We had an SMT, liquidity. We had SMT divergence, we had liquidity, so everything for me to get into the trade as well. And then this right here is a fair value gap. And then we inversed it. Price respected it, we stayed below it, and we closed below this as well. So with all this confluence lined up, caused me to get into the trade. Oh man, bro. I take profit literally getting edged, bro. Fucking hell. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. As soon as we come to our first take profit, I'm getting out of the trade, bro. Right away. Bro, like we're right there, bro. We're right there. You right there. Let's just go down.
Endure, Master Wayne.
Mm. I'm gonna change this to 12 actually. Wait, is it? I hope a limit buy market sale. Bro, I hope a limit buy isn't actually buying it because it's my first time. Fuck. I hope it takes the contract out, not buys it. Yeah, I just had to be too really quick, bro. I'm on Topstep. All right, I was right. I was right, guys. I was right. All right, we're going to break even, bro. Fuck this shit. We're going to break even. We're going to break even, y'all. We're up on the day. We're going to break even, bro. I'm not turning this into a losing day, bro. Especially with price action. It's crazy right now, bro. I'm not going to lie. So we're up 150 across three. Well, we're up $58 across three. We're at $58.52. 58.52 times 3. We're at $175 on the day. Quick little scout. We do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. We're up $300 on the day. Let's go, y'all. So I'm talking about. All right, so we're about to be in profit this week. Actually, it's $29 more dollars. I'm talking about. Let's go. And we're leading on ES, so we're trading on the right one. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Only reason why I got into the trade a little bit longer than what I normally do is only because we have move stop loss. We're still on break even. Because we have FOMC later, so prices like manipulating is kind of like lagging. So I wanted to wait a little bit outside my trading zone because I did see some people do that and they found like their A+ setups and they made money. So trying something new. I mean, this wasn't my A+ setup, but this was a good setup, so I took it. Nice little win before FOMC. I think we get stopped out. I'll be right back though. Still not stopped out yet, huh? mean, shoot, guys, my risk to reward was met, so I'm happy with this trade. So we got out like down here. Yeah, this is a beautiful risk to reward, so I'm happy. So regardless what happens, I'm happy. I made money. This is a beautiful risk to reward for me, and we're almost at break even for the week. So shoot, I'll take that, bro. I'll take that. I am A-OK. Can't even pull out the trade if I wanted to right now. Oh wait, no, because I'm on my follower count, duh. Duh. I'll be right back. Gotta run out front really quick. Not gonna lie, I might just get out the trade. What do you guys think? Don't like the way those candlesticks are forming. Is that a lower one? You guys think I should just thug this out? I'm gonna thug it out, y'all. Ooh. And if NASDAQ is still going down. We should be still going down, right? I'm gonna just thug it out. Oh well. out my DM before I unlock it myself. What the heck? What just happened? Are we still recording? Why did my PC turn off? All right, we're still recording. All right, y'all. What's up? All right, moving stop loss. Moving stop loss to right here. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Honestly, I'm just rock out with it right here, bro. Forget about it. We just gonna rock out with it right here, yo. Just gonna rock out with it right here, bro. So happy I stayed in the trade, yo. See. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I love the way this is looking. Don't like the way that's looking though. Hey, let's keep going down, bro. Let's keep going down. Don't like that. Don't like that. Ooh. We do not like that. Holy shit. Alright, I'm out. I got out. I'm out. I'm out, y'all. Wait, no, I'm not. I didn't even close it out. I took my stop loss away. Oh my gosh, we were going back down. Yo, what the fuck are we doing, man? Can we just go down? We're consolidated and shit. I need buyers to come in the market right here and think we're gonna go up, bro. We just need to fake them out. I do not like this. If price comes up here, we're getting out the trade. Okay, equal highs. All right, if I'm not mistaken. We're getting out. We're out. We are out of the trade, y'all. We're out. I'm done. I'm done. We're out. I took the stop loss off and everything. We out. All right, we are up $133.06 on the week. Well, on the day. We are down $1.32 on the week. All right. So, yeah. That was actually a really good trade. I'm actually proud. A really good trade. Nice risk to reward as well, guys. So I'm happy with that, man. I'll take that. I'm about to hop off of here though. I gotta go. I got a meeting at 12. I have to go drive there. Well, it's at my apartment building. That's in the city. So I'm about to hop off of here. I'm about to upload this really quick. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. We just hit 100 subscribers, so thank you guys for that as well. And yeah, I'm not gonna be streaming later, but I'm gonna post like a little trade recap. I mean, I'm not gonna do like a live trade recap. I'm not gonna do a lot. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a live trade. Well, I might do a live trade recap later, but if I don't do a live trade recap on YouTube, I might just upload like a little like reel or TikTok or Instagram short or whatever, and you guys can just see it on there of me trading FOMC. If I blow the accounts, it's a learning lesson. I just want to try something different. I never traded like big news like that, so we'll see how it goes, guys. But yeah, I'm out of here. Peace out, family.